Check out this cool light. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Today's product is this wall-mounted LED light. It has a sensor so that it'll turn on automatically when it gets dark out and back off in the morning. If you compare it to what I did have up there, it looks a lot nicer. This thing looks nice and sleek. I really like it, guys. It was pretty easy to install. I already had a round box set up here, so it just attached to the round box and then the wires came in through the back. If you don't have a box set up, it does have where you can run the wires in through either side. So if you ran up to it with the conduit, you could do it that way instead. I already had the spot to mount it in the wall, so I did that. And then the wire runs down to a switch inside the garage and I'll just be able to turn it on and off. But like I said, it does have an automatic switch. So I've come back at night and this light is a lot brighter than I thought it was. And it does. It lights up the driveway. It lights up quite a distance from. It's not even completely dark yet, and you can see how far it's shining. Works pretty good. Now that it's actually dark, you can see how far it lights everything up. Quite a ways. Thing's pretty bright. Isn't it, buddy? So if you're looking to replace an outdoor light and you want one that looks nice, I definitely recommend this one. It's bright, it's LED, so it's not going to use as much power as that old incandescent one I had. And it turns on and off as it gets dark, so I don't have to worry about it at night. I definitely recommend this, and I'm going to be using this for years to come.